Good morning, Ria from Maisie Moo. Jumping on to show you the new Kindle sleeve that we put together last week, and I'm going to stitch one up just to show you how easy they come together. Now I've created these to fit Kindle sizes, your ordinary size, so your smaller Kindle, and also the Paperwhite. Now this is the larger one that you get. This is the 11th generation, and we all have a Kindle each in our family. This is Isla's. We tend to use these covers because they are magnetic. They cover them, but obviously if you're traveling or you're wanting to keep it nice and snug, having a sleeve for it to go in, it keeps it even, there we go, even safer, nice and tidy. So you can see it fits inside with the cases that you get, or you can just have it without the case as well. This is the smaller size, and it's still got plenty of space in there because you've got this sleeve at the top. There we go. There's no snaps or anything to scratch it, so everything sits nice and snug. Again, gosh, this is tatty. This is Ian's. This is my husband's one. That's his cover. But anyway, let's get on to it. So I did put out there to you that I was wanting to know if you wanted a pocket. Now, I was thinking anything with snaps or anything sharp didn't seem like a good idea. So what I have done today is I have cut out, this is going to be for Maisie, for her one, and what I've done is I've created a pocket on the back, just a little, like a sleeve at the back, so she can put, or you can put your cord, or did I bring your cord down here? Yes, I've got a little cord there that we can pop in there. We'll give it a go at the end. And I've even given you a larger one, so there's two pocket options for the back, but today we're just going to do the smaller, the lower one there. This is really quite easy, and I'll probably just fast forward through it. I did a single stitch on this. You can see just the one stitch, and because I quite like that look. But if you're wanting to strengthen it, you could go all the way around and then come all the way back again. When I did the single stitch, I had to do a double stitch at the back because just to start. So in case you're wondering when we're doing this one what I'm doing, it will be a little bit different, but I had to do a double stitch before I started stitching all the way around, so I had the nice clean single stitch at the front. Okay, so let's get started. Now I thought I'd actually show you just quickly too what I've been working on. I just cut this out this morning. I'm really quite pleased with it. This is my prototype. It is a playing card case, and it's all held together by snaps. I thought that these would be quite a neat thing for Father's Day or for Christmas, or, you know, it's a great way of just keeping your playing cards together, and it's just a one piece template, as I say, held together by snaps. So I've been working on that one, so I might release that in the next couple of days. And this, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that very well. It's quite subtle, but it's a coin purse. It has been stitched. This is just, as I say, my tester, and I'm thinking of doing maybe 3. I might do a ghost and a pumpkin, I guess, because it's Halloween related. So I've just got to work on the other 2 designs, but I'm really pleased with that. It's just really subtle. You could obviously do your bat in a different colour if you wanted to, but I've tried to make the flat part of the wing. Yeah, okie dokie. Alright, so let's get on to this. I am going to be sewing this as I normally do with my embroidery floss. You can use waxed cord if you wish. Okay, so I've cut some embroidery floss. I've got about 60 inches, quite a lot. It might be a bit much. We'll judge how much is left at the end. And I'm making a knot in the end to secure it. Now I'm using a large-eyed embroidery style needle. They're not very sharp because you've cut your holes out. It will just pass through those nice and easily. If you've done my Easy Stitch before, you know exactly how it all works. So let's get started. You've got your main piece here. And then you've got your front bit. We're going to start inside, and I'm going to start from the second hole down. We're going to pull that through. Now remember, if you wanted to add a touch of glue to your knot to hold it in place, okie doke, and then come through the top. Right, back through the hole and then back through that one where your knot was. This is how you end up with that double stitch I was talking about in the, let's just move all my bits here. Okay, so you've got your very first stitch. When we come back through, you will see you've got your double on the back. So I'm just going to keep sewing around. Now I'll do 2 stitches and then I'm going to grab my wee sleeve there. Go this side, sleeve, or your flap, I don't know what you would call that, strap I guess, coming up through that hole and go. Now because I'm putting the pocket on this, I might actually go all the way around and back again. I'll do that solid stitch just to make it more secure. There we are. Okay, so I'm just going to keep stitching. Okay, so remembering you've got your pocket that we're going to be popping on the back here. If you want to, you can hold it in place with your, there we go, just pop that on. Okay, so we'll come out through, there we are, and then I'm just going to continue stitching all of those layers around there. Okay, you can see I've got one more stitch left at the top here, which we'll go through. Now, if you were going to finish like we've done here, I would come down one more stitch and then I would tie off internally. But what I'm going to do with this one is continue back down. I am actually going to do a double stitch on the top just so that it is nice and strong. For when you're putting in your, because we've got the double one there. There we go. So I'm going to just keep stitching around all the way back to the other side, and then I'll jump on there and just show you how we are going to tie that off. Okay, so we're coming to the end here. Now, like I said at the beginning, I used 60, just a little over 60 inches, and I don't have too much left, so I was quite close with my estimation. Okay, so we've got our last stitch at the front there. Now, to tie off, I'm going to take it back through and pass the needle through the inside here. Okay, you can see I'm making a loop. And tie it in a knot. Now, one of my lovely customers did send me an idea, and if you are doing a stitch like this that goes all the way around and back again, you could actually leave, instead of tying a knot, you could leave it free, a free length of your floss, come around and then come back again, and then you can get your 2 ends, tie them in a knot, and then you can tuck it underneath. So that's always an option as well. This way though is obviously works if you are just going one way around, or so there we go. You do have options. I might do a little stitch guide at some stage. I keep thinking I should. Okay, so I've done 2 knots there. I'm going to just trim it internally. And as I say all the time, a tiny touch of glue, just, and even at the tops here wouldn't hurt, just to reinforce it. I haven't got any of my Loctite gel. I need to get some more. Okay, but we're done. Look at that. So we have our sleeve. Let's grab one of the candles. We'll go with, let's go with Isla's one. Here we are. So you can slide it in without the cover first. We'll pop that in, see how it goes. Yep, that looks great. I've gone for some nice sunny kind of colours here. I like that. Now this faux leather and this faux leather is all from Polka Dot Peach. I got an order from them a while back, and it cuts really well for the easy stitch holes, just like butter. Oh, I've just realised I've done something there. Look, I'll have to go back and fix that, but we'll sort that out later. Okay, so I've got my cord. In fact, I don't have my cord, I've got Nana's cord. She names everything because the girls steal them. So let's see, you can slip that in the back. Okay, here we go. So you can choose to make it with the pocket or without. Yeah. Obviously, it's quite sleek as it is. I mean, you could even have the pocket and just use that for putting bits of paper and things in, because this is quite bulky. But whatever you decide to do, I mean, I'm sure it is bound to look good. Now, remember to share what you make on the Facebook page, where everyone loves to see what everyone else is making. And I will be back on soon with probably do this next, because it was so easy and it was quite fun to put together. So I'll cut another one out. All right, thank you so much, and have fun creating the candle sleeve. All right, see you, bye.